Alright, today we have a mystery pack from Sunlu. It is 10 rolls of filament and it's a random assortment. So let's get into it. I'm hoping that I get some red filament in there. I'm making a Deadpool mask. Also, if you're wondering why I have such great opening skills, don't worry about that, alright? You'll understand if you know where this came from. Alright, let me fix this. Sorry guys. Bumped into my stand. I know it's still wiggling. Alright, first up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. We got our first color. See what it is. Now there is duplicates. They did say that there is duplicates, so I'm guessing this might be black. Oh, it's not. It's a beautiful, let's find this color. Does it say on the package? No. So let's open it further. I don't need that. Fortunately, I don't know what color this is. I mean, it looks to be like a flesh tone pink, but I'm liking it so far. I didn't realize off the first draw that we'd get a really cool color. So that's box number 1. Alright. Let's go for box number 2. Let's see what we got in here. Now, if you've never used Sunlu filament, I would recommend it. It always has a great finish, in my opinion. I'm guessing black. Nope, another same color. That's okay. Alright. Let's see what this one has in store for us. Now, I have a feeling it's the same color. But we might be surprised. Oh! No, this is a really cool color. Let's crack this open, guys. I think you'll like it. It kind of looks like a raspberry red. Oh yes, what a beautiful color. I'll be excited for that one. I am making a Deadpool mask, and I am not trying to finish it. I am just trying to have one that is very nice looking. Like I said, I'm going to try to find that for you guys. Alright, so I actually just unloaded everything out of the boxes. I did not open them, and I put the other open ones right here so you guys can follow along and see what colors that we get. I will also leave a link in the description if you guys want to try this. I will leave the direct link to the random assortment. I'm actually having quite a bit of fun with this. And it was only $110, and I thought that was a great deal. Ooh, I actually used this orange before, and it is amazing. I love that stuff. Here, let me put that back down there, just so you guys can see. Alright, next one. Open for something green. I really want green, a luminous green color, or neon green, or a color like theirs. That would be a very nice color. Alright. Ooh, another orange. So far it looks like we're getting 2 of each color, so I wouldn't be surprised if we get another one of these red colors that I really like. Here we are. Ooh, look at that purple, guys. I've never printed in purple. Actually, I have. That's a lie. Don't listen to me. But I haven't printed in that color purple. That is beautiful. I'm just going to print so many Deadpool masks with different colors. It'll be like the Avengers of Deadpools. Oh, here we go. Another color. It's going to shoot. Blue, I actually have never used their blue. I have an unopened roll of their blue. I really don't know what to use blue for. It is it's not even my favorite color, so that's probably why I haven't used it. I'll put that off to the side like this so you guys can see it. We have 3 left. Still hoping for a green. Alright. I'm guessing this is the duplicate blue. And it is. That's okay. That means my prediction is we get 1 more purple and 1 more red. Hopefully that's not the case. I'd like to see some other colors, but if not, that's okay. I think I got a great deal anyways for what I paid. Oh, I was right. There's the purple. Put that on there. Alright guys, last one. Last one. I'm guessing it is that red, and I really like that red color. And it is. This is an amazing red. I absolutely love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I will be ordering some more black Sunlu filament just to complete the Deadpool masks. But like I said, I will leave a link in the description for this. I am affiliated. However, I think it's a great deal. And besides that, if you like this video, make sure you're subscribed and like it. Have a great day printing, guys.